WordPress, your ticket to online success. The year is 2025, the internet is booming. More and more people are online. This means more opportunities to make money online. WordPress is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. It's easy to use, even for beginners. You can create a website or blog without any coding knowledge. Plus, WordPress is free to use. Many people have found success with WordPress. They are making money online, right from their homes. You can do it too. Whether you want to share your thoughts through blogging, sell products online, or partner with brands, WordPress has got you covered. In this digital age, WordPress is your key to unlocking online income. It's time to take charge and build your own online empire. Let's dive in and explore the exciting ways you can earn with WordPress. WordPress offers diverse ways to earn. Let's explore 3 popular methods: blogging, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing. Blogging involves sharing your expertise or passions through regular online articles. By providing valuable content, you attract an audience. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. E-commerce allows you to set up an online store and sell physical or digital products directly through your WordPress site. With plugins like WooCommerce, you can manage inventory, process payments, and handle shipping with ease. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services on your WordPress site. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. These are just a few examples of how people are earning with WordPress. The possibilities are endless. Ready to get started? Here's a simplified guide to launching your WordPress venture. Step 1. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand or niche. Step 2. Select a reliable web hosting provider to store your website files. Step 3. Install WordPress with a single click through your hosting provider's control panel. Step 4. Select a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetic and customize it to your liking. Step 5. Install essential plugins to enhance your site's functionality, such as Yoast SEO for search engine optimization and Akismet for spam protection. Following these steps will give you a solid foundation for your WordPress website. WordPress plugins are like apps that extend the functionality of your website. Here are some essential plugins to consider. Yoast SEO helps you optimize your content for search engines, improving your chances of ranking higher in search results. Akismet blocks spam comments, keeping your website clean and professional. WordFence Security protects your website from hackers and malware, ensuring your data is safe. Updraft Plus backs up your website regularly so you never lose your hard work. These plugins are valuable assets for any WordPress website owner. Remember to explore other plugins that might be relevant to your specific needs and goals.